another episode of Masterclass with me, Ruchika Rai. Today we are going to learn how to do your abs without doing any crunches. Amazing, right? Let's do it. Well, to start with, I want to give you a little information about the benefits of not doing crunches and working your abs through your side muscles, right? So, there is a condition called diastasis recti, which is especially prevalent in women, but it is also present in men. Diastasis recti is basically ab separation, which occurs after pregnancy. It can also occur before pregnancy if your ab muscles are weak and you kind of work it without being very careful. What happens is your ab muscles separate. When these ab muscles separate, your stomach actually looks bigger, and the more you exercise, the more these muscles separate, the worse your tummy gets, right? So one of the first things, especially for post-pregnancy fitness, that I suggest is to work your abs not through the crunches, because when you're doing the crunches, you are directly working against that recti, the separation. And the separation, since your ab muscles are weak, it is not repaired, and it is basically, you are harming it by doing the crunches, right? So I'm going to give you some basic exercises that you can start with, and as you build up on these, you'll be able to do the more complicated one. So let's start with the most basic side ab exercise. So you go on your sides. Okay, so there are various ways of doing it. If this is tough for you, you can put this foot down, right? I'll work with this foot down. My arm has to be directly below my shoulder, so my elbow will be in the straight line with my shoulder, right? This is one variation. This is the main exercise, right? Now from here, you always make sure that your tummy is tucked in. Every time you exhale, you pull your lower tummy in, right? The most basic exercise is take your hands back, go down and then up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, right? This is the most basic side exercise. Now I'll give you another variation to it, which is a step advanced. When you are able to ace this one, you can go on to that one. So we come here, same posture, elbow in the line of the shoulder, hands up. Now as I pull my hand towards my legs, I'll pull my legs towards my hand, and I will exhale in this process. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So these exercises can be done to start with 10 repetitions and 3 sets of 10 repetitions. When you are able to ace it, you can slowly go beyond that, okay? So I hope this class would have helped you. Join me again in the next episode, where I will be decoding another exercise for you so that you can stay fit without any hassle. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Health Shots, your daily dose of wellness. See you.